The London Fashion Week brought an unusual presentation last weekend, the sari. And women among the eager Indian audience turned out in their best for the evening, mostly and thankfully, the sari. The show began with anything but the sari. Young designers from the International Institute of Fashion Design in India paraded their creativity. That brought bold colors, surprising cuts and unusual combinations. These all came together largely within what is recognized as Western wear. The display did drop some hints of the sari along the way. Some designs suggested a pallu, perhaps a petticoat plus, and even something of a fractional sari. But this at the start turned out to be a show that young designers have in fact turned away from the sari. The saris turned up later from varying regions of India. These were fished out by the Indian High Commission from personal collections. But homespun as it was, the sari made its appearance in spectacular style and graceful ways. This was a triumph of the unknown and unseen designers back in India, and of the taste of the women who bought the saris. Every sari is an individual creation and a statement also of the individual styles it comes in. And on each sari, every detail is unique, as in this from Lucknow. After all that we know and have seen of the sari over years, every new sari continues to surprise and to delight. And saris come with history, going back centuries. This one from Madhya Pradesh is in style dating back to the 13th century. You can usually spot a sari and tell the state it's from. This from Rajasthan clearly. The style here obviously Gujarati. This Maharashtrian. A Kanjivaram of course. From Kerala, where else? And from Bengal. And this from Karnataka was our pick of the evening. A strong rival to the sari parade were the women not on the catwalk, not formally anyhow. Theirs was a show that saris are there to be worn, not just paraded. It was an evening to wear a sari with a particular show of pride, led by High Commissioner Ruchi Ghanshyam.
I think this is Banarsi sari, but it is on it's on a tissue silk, yes. And so this is something that I recently bought, and it looks very, very different from what I normally wear. I think the sari is perhaps the most beautiful garment attire in the world. I don't think there's any other dress that adds so much to a person's elegance, charm, dignity and beauty. And I think the sari is also something which we can be so proud of, because it's unlike other countries, other cultures, we have been able to keep this part of our heritage, keep this part of our culture over the centuries.
Banarsi clearly was the flavor of the evening.
This is a Banarsi silk, as we know, and this is a Banarsi weave, not a handloom, but the weave from brocade threads. If you ask me, I'm from Lucknow and chicken curry is my favorite. Banarsi saris are, of course, the topmost beautiful saris in India. So, all of them.
Women surely do the best they possibly can for their appearance when they choose to wear a sari.
People have been weaving, embroidering, making these saris for thousands of years, and women have been wearing those saris for thousands of years. So when I wear a sari, I feel so much a part of India, and I feel so much a part of India's heritage.
Without doubt, this was the best the week of fashion brought.